Hello, so today I will be reviewing Mason Miner's ePortfolio. My major is public relations and advertising, so I wanted to find a portfolio of somebody that related to that. And this is one of the first ones I found. For her homepage, I do really like how organized it is and how it kind of grabs your attention right away because of how big the picture and the whole description is. I really like how she has that quotation on there. I do have to say, one negative to give is that, yes, there are colors that she uses, but I personally like something a little more engaging with like designs and other colors, so I think that might have brought more to her portfolio, but I think it still looks great. She has all these different things you can click. So under resume, she has her personal profile giving like a brief little description of who she is. I really do like this part with her professional history in the past because it shows her experience and, really shows like her experience in the field. And then if you scroll down a bit, it shows her educational history, which is great because it shows how she is as a student and with her GPA and stuff. Then we have contact. I really like this because it's a super easy way to just send her an email right from the website instead of having to like do it separately on your own. I think that's a really good touch. And then under work, she has some of the writing and research samples that she has completed, as well as design samples. And then she has recipes because in her homepage she had talked about baking when she was younger, and here's some of her recipes. So yeah, I do have to say the site is very easy to use. It's pretty put together and it flows well. But another negative is just I wish it was a little bit more attention grabbing, but for the most part, I'd say it's pretty good. Um, yeah, everything works really well. There's no glitches, it's not slow, it's very nice and gradual. And honestly, I don't really have any other issues or questions after navigating her site because I feel like she provided me with all the information I needed to know about her, and this definitely inspires me for my portfolio to make at the end of the semester, and I'll keep her portfolio in mind and kind of like including some of the elements that she included.